there is one ultimate reason why we employ employee. Yeah, our main reason, our ultimate reason is for this employee to stay as long as possible in our organization. Please remember that if we don't have that kind of feeling or that sense of achievement to ensure that those who are employed are going to stay with us forever, I like to use the word forever, then it is going to be a wasted of time. Yeah, meaning to say, the minute we employ a human resource, we must have full belief that he or she is the talent that we are sought all this while. Yeah, the cost is heavier if we lose that particular employees throughout the service. Yeah, so by hook or by crook, yeah, we must have a good system of developing their career, the employee's career. We must have proper career management. We must have proper career development. We must have proper career planning for our employees, for the human resource to stay in our organization. So this, these senses should should be implanted, yeah, should be implanted in the heart of every employer. Yeah, because the minute you don't have this feeling, you are going to, you are going to accidentally forget the ideas of hiring and employees. Yeah. So this is in the perspective of employer lah. Yeah, the perspective of employer. If we want to have a good, productivity in our organization. So what is career management? So the ideas of career management is that employees have to provide, have to cater for the right training, the right knowledge for the employees, so that their skills are upgraded from time to time. Yeah. So this fall under the career management. How do we, the employees should have good career management, that they have systematic planning, arranging for the upgrading of the skills of the employees, and also provide activities in the organization that will increase their interest. I'm referring to the employees lah, their interest to stay in the organization. So this is about career management. Career development is actually the lifelong series of activities that contribute to a person's career exploration, establishment, success, and fulfillment. Basically, career development, more or less, I mentioned inside the career management just now, which refer to the activities. Okay? Activities, for example, providing transfer. If the organization is a big organization, the organization can, provide career development for the employees to have experience in different departments of the organization. So, partly the ideas of, transferring our staff from one department to another department in one perspective, we can see that as the trust of the employer to the employees, and then they want these employees to be able to master the activities, the works of different departments in the organization. So in some way, this is a kind of appreciating the employees. But sometimes other view might say, those who are being transferred to different department because they are no longer needed in particular department. But basically, it's that when people are being transferred, they are actually being prepared for succession planning, actually. Yeah? And then career planning is actually where the employer provide the KPI. So this KPI actually, in other perspective, actually the reason why we have KPI is we want to test the employees, especially those officers lah, whether they can meet the expectation, meet the goal or not. So this kind of career planning is very important for employer to provide, so that at the end of the day, we have a good team in the organization, employers with high capabilities. So basically, when we talk about managing career, it is the obligation of the employer, yeah, to provide career management. In return, the employees will feel the satisfaction and they will stay with the organization. Yeah. If the organization or the employer do not provide this kind of systematic planning, it will lead to the turnover of the employees.